Well, this is what it looks like when I first open my door. Up here at the blizzard. You can see my footsteps. Getting it pounded in here pretty good. You can see how it's moving. I know you miss this stuff, Leo. Yeah, I know you miss this stuff. Enjoy. Look at that. I got probably close to a foot of snow in the driveway already. It's a very light and fluffy snow. And this is just starting up, they say. I don't know how long it's going to be like this today. They say all day. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? This is what it's like to live in Maine in the winter. Ick. Look at that beautiful stuff. I don't want to go out any further. You can hear that wind. Oh, there we go there.